If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Exness to TradingView. First, make sure you already have an account in TradingView and already installed on your desktop. Second, you need to have an account in Exness in order to connect to TradingView. Now, on your browser, search for Exness. Once it loads up, click the exness.com, click the Exness trading platform, and it will redirect you to the homepage. In here, if you already have an account, just click sign in, but if you haven't yet created an account, just click the register, and it will redirect you to the sign up page where you'll need to fill up their form. Now you can sign in with your Google or create a manual account. But in this case, I'm going to create an account by connecting it to my Google account. So it would be a less hassle for me. Now select your Gmail that you want to connect to Exness. Click continue and then finish the procedure in creating an account in Exness. And once you're done, go to your TradingView application, click the trading panel, and search for Exness. But if you fail to find Exness, it's possible that Exness does not support direct integration with TradingView's desktop application. However, you can still use TradingView for analysis and then manually execute trades on the Exness platform. Because in TradingView, you can use TradingView's advanced charting tools to analyze markets and identify trading opportunities, while in the Exness, after analyzing on TradingView, you would need to manually execute trades on Exness. You can do this by logging into your Exness accounts and placing trades based on your analysis. While TradingView does provide some integration with various brokers, Exness is not currently one of them. For real-time data and execution using Exness on terminal or MetaTrader, port over 5 is recommended. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.